Dance out to. Time to be the trendiest K-popper by learning the hottest point dances of the hottest stars. Dance out to. The shocking collaboration anticipated since 2020 has finally been revealed. The greatest producer and singer celebrating 28 years of experience has come together with the world star of 20 years. It's Bak진영 and Rain, JYP! The teacher and student combination was already a hot issue to begin with. The two artists have been praised for their song Switch to Me, which is a New Jack Swing genre that was popular in the 90s. Their performance also includes the popular moves of the 90s. It has definitely made the OG K-pop fans reminisce the past with a flawless performance that captures years of their experience. Switch to Me has been showing the class of Korea's representative dance kings. Shall we learn the Switch to Me performance together? Let's get it!
바라보니 그게 아니라면 네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 네 남자가 바라보니 그게 아니라면 네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 네 남자가
Let's go. Bounce, bounce, then twist your hips and step and clap. Twist to the other side and clap. Then repeat. Boom, 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 and cha, and cha. Then go to the left and snap your fingers. King. Then go to the right and snap. Then your hands go to your head. Then both hands snap. Then bounce 2 times. And then freestyle. And then switch your legs and go like this. Boom, boom. Then turn your arms and hips like this. Then put your arms down and move again. And then roll your chest. Then go like this. 제발. And lift your knees high and step. Ting, 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 ting. And then repeat. Boom, 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 down, down. And then lift your hands and roll your chest. 제발. Okay. And that's it.
나를 바라보니 그게 아니라면 네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자
JYB's Switch to Me. Since it's a retro dance that is rare these days, it felt really new and fun to me. I hope all you popcorns had a fun time too. That's it for today's Dance Out 2. I'll be back after the Switch to Me music video.